Hello and welcome to Stafford Audi. We are delighted to present to you the new Audi SQ8 Vorsprung. The SQ8 produces a blistering 507 PS through the V8 engine and the tiptronic gearbox. The vehicle features the stunning matrix LED headlights with dynamic sequencing and indicators, as well as the digital OLED rear tail lights. Being a Vorsprung model, it has pretty much every option available, including pan roof, as well as tour pack and 23-inch alloy wheels. At the rear of the vehicle you can see the stunning OLED light design, which contrasts against the grey Daytona pearl metallic paint wonderfully. You can also see the black quad tailpipes. The tailgate on the vehicle can be electrically operated via the key fob, revealing a 605 litre boot capacity, which can then be furthered by folding the rear seats. The buttons in the boot also allow you to adjust the ride height of the vehicle when loading the car. Moving around now the side of the vehicle and into the interior of the SQ8, which is absolutely stunning. The rear seats are finished in a quilted leather with contrast stitching, allowing space for 3 passengers. Being a Vorsprung model, it also has the inbuilt sun blinds into the window systems, which are operated via the control switches. This vehicle also features the Bang & Olufsen sound system. Moving into the front of the vehicle, where the sport seats are also finished in that same leather and contrast stitch combination, whilst the rest of the cabin is finished in gloss black, chrome and carbon material. The vehicle is equipped with 2 touchscreens, one controlling the MMI system, allowing the driver access to the radio, media, phone including Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and the inbuilt navigation system, whilst the other controls the climate control and heated seat system. The Vorsprung model also comes with a 360-degree camera system, allowing full visibility of the vehicle whilst manoeuvring. The vehicle also features memory seats. As well as the memory seats, this particular vehicle also has heated and ventilated seats, which can be operated via that secondary touchscreen. The SQ8 is also equipped with the Audi Virtual Cockpit, which allows the driver access to the radio, telephone, car systems, and also the inbuilt navigation from behind the driver's steering wheel. That will conclude today's video on the SQ8 Vorsprung. If you do have any further questions, please feel free to contact a member of our sales team, and thank you for choosing Stafford Audi.